everyone, welcome back to your channel. It is your girl Sanai from So Crafty Sanai, and I am back with my cash stuffing. I am going to be stuffing $515 from my pay of May the 3rd. Okay, so if you didn't catch my video, I go through my pre-payday routine and then how I actually set up my budget to come up with the envelope amounts that I am going to be stuffing today. So one of the first things I do before I start my cash stuffing is I go through and I write and check out and see any rollover money that I have existing. Now I do have a, let's say a Gap. I forgot about this balance I have on this Gap gift card, $91.42. So I got $91.42 to shop. So I have, let's see, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 170, 175, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. So I have $186. But I do have to take out $13 from my Sweet Green purchase. So 1, 2, 3. That's going to go back to bank. So I am just going to sit that over here to the side. And I am going to write... So 173 now is what I have. So I'm reconciling my envelopes and making sure I have the correct amounts in there. Let me take out these cards for right now. Okay. Dining out. I have $2 left in dining out. So I am going to take that $2 and I'm going to roll that over to my buffer envelope. So I just write on here that it's going to buffer and I'm adding $2. So that's going to zero out my dining out. And I'm just going to write here that dining out has $2. I have $173 in me money. Car maintenance. Wow. I still have my car maintenance. So I'm going to take that $10 out of car maintenance. And that is going to go to buffer. So 5.3 buffer plus $10. Well, actually, I'm minusing $10. I'm sorry. Minusing $10, and that's going to go to 0. So I'm minusing 10 and going to buffer. And let me correct that on my dining out expense tracker. So that's a minus $2. Alrighty, so gas. Gas is a sinking fund. I do keep a balance here. So I have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 171. So I am going to keep this here because I have some traveling to do and I'm going to need the gas money. Groceries. I don't have, so this is going to go back to bank. I'm going to minus this 20 because I spent on my card. So I went a little over budget in groceries, you guys. I hate when I do that, but I did. Household has 20, 40, 45, 50. I have $50 in household, but I'm going to keep this money in here because I do have household items to buy, and I'm going to add a little bit more. Giving has nothing. Buffer currently has 50, 100, 110. So buffer has 110, so I am going to add $12. So it's 5.3. I'm going to do rollovers and I'm adding $12 and that's going to give me $122 in buffer. So in buffer, like I said, it's money that I didn't spend in my variable spending this week. And if this envelope gets to be too much, then I will put it in debt payoff or to my saving challenges. Now back to bank has 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. So I am going to add, and I do have to add more. So let's see, card repays is what this is. And that's plus 33. So I have $33 in back to bank. But I do know that I need to check my spending, my expense tracking, and pay back some more money. So, all right, now let's get to stuffing. So I am going to give myself $50. So that's going to be 2 20s and a 10 going into me money. so now I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 210, 215, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So I have $223. So plus 50, and it's 223. And that is the deposit of 53. Alrighty. 223 in me money. Dining out is going to get its usual 50. So that's going to be 2 20s and a 10. And maybe I need to cut back on dining out. I don't know. So let's see. Plus 50. And now I have $50 to spend. Okay. But I still need to have some no spend days. So car maintenance is going to get its usual $10 for the car wash. And let's see, plus 10 and 10. I need to give all of my rollover money, all of my buffer money. I really need to just throw it into debt. Okay, so gas is going to get $35. So that's 20, a 10, and a 5. And I don't know how much gas is going to cost me to drive to Virginia, but I'm going to have to put more money in here before my next paycheck. But I do have my card though, but I still want to budget for the amount of money that I'm going to spend. So 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 5, 6. So I have $206. 206, and that was plus 35. Why is my pen running out? I gotta change the ink. So that was deposit on 5/3. Okay, so maybe I put an extra $100 in here. I feel like $300 should cover me going up and back to Virginia. I don't know. Groceries is gonna get its usual 200, 50, 100, 150, 200. And I plan to, like I said, I want a meal plan that's going to help me cut back on my grocery bill. So let's see how that works. So $200 into groceries. Okay, household is going to get 25. So just going to put a 20 and a 5 into household and make that a total of, what do I have? 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, no. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75. Y'all like the way I count? Who does it? That's called girl counting. You know how they say girl math? Yeah, girl counting. Don't play. All right, so 5/3 deposit plus 25. That's 75. You know how they say girl math? Oh, it's free. That's girl math. No, girl counting. Let me just skip some numbers in a positive way. Okay, giving is going to get $10. 2 5s. It's going to giving. I gave away, I should have put more in giving. I did not realize, and I do have gifts to buy. A lot of people are graduating. Oh my gosh, they're going to wipe out my sinking funds. I got to set, you know what I'm going to do? In the back of the Payday budget book, there's a gift event budget, and I'm going to sit down right now, well, later on tonight, and I'm going to decide how much I want to give to spending these graduation gifts, because if I don't have a limit, I'll go in the store and do a little bit too much. All right, so home maintenance is going to get 25. So I'm going to just put 25 in home maintenance. And I currently don't, what do I have in home maintenance? $4. 25, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have $29 now. Plus 25, and that's 29. I have to build home maintenance back up. I might have to just go ahead and dump 500 from one of my paychecks in here. Even though I will have the money in the bank, fine. Okay, so is car insurance in here? Yes. So car insurance is going to get $45. I didn't have to contribute so much this pay, but I kind of dropped the ball and didn't realize I had 5 pays this month. I could have did that. Alrighty, so we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 65, 70, 75, 80. So I have 180. And that was plus 45. And I believe my car insurance is $800. Let me just see. I think it's $849 is what I need in this envelope before I think I pay the bill again. So I may have to go ahead and put a little bit more money. I got to see when my next bill is due. One was due in February. So 6 months, 2, 8. So August, yeah, I'm going to have to start increasing that because by August, I'm going to need that money. Okay, life insurance for the kids. Theirs is annual, and I have to pay $860. So I still have until, I want to say, January, February to have the $860. So I'm not doing bad in this. So that's $45 also. So here we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 150, 160, 165, 170, 175, 180. So plus 45, and that is 180. All right, so the next is going to be my Islamic holiday, the Eid sinking fund. So I'm going to jumpstart this, and I am putting $20 in here, and I have 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. So that is $69, and that is plus 20. So I have contributed $515 towards my variable weekly spending and contributed to my sinking fund. So that is what I normally do. I take my budget, I determine my priority bills, fix expenses, replenish my bill account, and then I consider how much I'm going to need for my variable spending and my sinking funds. And then anything left over, I will throw to debt, or I will decide how much of that is going to be a debt payment. You all, thank you all so much for tuning into my video. But I do want to show you, like I said, there is the what's this called? What's the freaking tracker called for the gifts budget? Here it is. Hold on. Not automatic payments. Yearly category breakdown. Wait a minute, you guys. Hold on. Oh, I know what it is. It's on the charity. Here it is. Nope, it's this one. This is what I was talking about. The holiday event gift budget. So I have, oh, I did start. No, that was a different gift. Oh, graduation. Okay, so let me just write some more grads on here. Cassidy, oh my gosh. Anissa, oh my goodness, I have so many graduations to budget for. Worm, okay. Oh my gosh, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 graduations that I need to, and so I said I'm going to give everybody money. So I'm just going to give everybody money. I just need to determine how much money I'm going to give to everyone. So I need to start thinking about that because these are due in June. So yeah, I only have freaking, oh my gosh, next month. So yeah, I'll sit back and make a budget for that too. Okay. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Please stay tuned for my next video. And if you haven't had a chance, please make sure you watch my how to create a budget video and my biggest advice on how to start cash stuffing. So yeah, check the videos out, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, y'all. You don't want to miss these gems I'm about to be giving out. Okay. All right. See you all in my next video. Bye.